Assalamu alaikum. Did you know that there is a virus that has already killed millions of birds? And experts believe that if it starts spreading among humans, it could cause a global disaster. Yes, I am talking about bird flu, also known as avian influenza. Some scientists claim that if this virus mutates and becomes easily transmissible among humans, it could kill over a billion people. But is this really true? Should we be worried? And most importantly, how can we protect ourselves? In today's video, we will cover what is bird flu and how does it spread. Is it really dangerous for humans? What do scientists say about it? How can we prevent it? So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn the full truth. Part 1. What is bird flu and how does it spread? Bird flu is a viral infection that primarily affected birds, especially wild and domesticated poultry. It exists in different strains, but the most dangerous ones are H5N1 and H7N9, which can also infect humans. This virus spreads through Point 1. Contact with infected birds' saliva, feces, or blood. Point 2. Contaminated water or food sources. Point 3. Undercooked poultry or eggs. So far, the H5N1 virus has led to the killing of thousands of birds in different countries to prevent its spread. But the real question is, can this virus turn into a global pandemic? Part 2. Is bird flu really dangerous for humans? So far, research shows that bird flu does not easily spread from human to human. However, people who work closely with infected birds, such as poultry farmers and market workers, are at a high risk of infection. Here are some shocking facts. The H5N1 virus has a fatality rate of over 50%, making it extremely deadly. Point 2. The good news is that it has not yet evolved to spread easily between humans. Point 3. However, if it mutates and becomes transmissible from person to person, it could be deadlier than COVID-19. So, why has not this virus become a massive outbreak yet? The answer lies in natural barriers and scientific interventions. Part 3. What do scientists say about bird flu? Experts believe that so far, no bird flu strain has evolved to spread efficiently among humans, but viruses constantly mutate, and if bird flu undergoes genetic changes, it could lead a catastrophic pandemic. Scientists are already working on bird flu vaccines to prepare for a possible outbreak. But what should we do? Should we be worried? Part 4. How to protect yourself from bird flu. Although bird flu is not currently a major threat, taking precautions is always a good idea. Point 1. Avoid unnecessary contact with poultry farmers or wild birds. Point 2. Always cook poultry and eggs thoroughly at least 70 degrees centigrade. Point 3. Maintain proper hygiene and wash your hands frequently. Point 4. Stay informed about bird flu outbreaks in your area. Number 5. Seek medical help if you experience high fever, cough, or breathing difficulties. Conclusion. Should we fear bird flu? So, is bird flu really the next deadly pandemic? Not yet, but it has the potential to be dangerous. It has not spread widely among humans yet, but a mutation could change that. Instead of fearing it, We should stay informed and take precautions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and share so more people can learn about this important topic. And if you have any questions about bird flu or any other health concern, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.